Common parrot lifespan rankings. Some can live up to 80 years. Budgerigars 7 to 15 years. Sunconers 12 to 25 years. Caucasials 15 to 25 years. Monk parakeets 20 to 30 years. Lorikeets 15 to 30 years. Eclectus parrots 20 to 35 years. African gray parrots 40 to 60 years. Amazon parrots 50 to 80 years. How many years has your parrot lived so far? Feel free to leave a comment below. 5 signs a parrot likes you. First, lowering its head towards you, wanting you to pet it. Second, flying onto you. Third, preening its feathers close to you. Fourth, getting excited to see you. Fifth, staring at you, constantly paying close attention to you.